Tonight I'm making another quick dinner. I have cheese tortellini, alfredo sauce, seasonings. You can use whichever seasonings that you like the best. I have peas and carrots and thin sliced chicken breast. You can use whatever chicken that you like, and I'm probably only going to use half of the package and I'll just freeze the rest. So come on and I'll show you what I'm making. I cut the chicken into small pieces so it'll cook faster, and it's just cooking in a little bit of oil. Here I have the alfredo sauce. I've added the pink Himalayan salt, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and pepper. But like I said, you can add any of the seasonings that you like. There's cheese tortellini bubbling away in there. And don't forget to salt your water before you add the pasta. Well, I have everything ready. I have the cheese tortellini. I just put the peas and carrots into the microwave and they're done. I have the chicken and then the alfredo sauce. So I'm just going to pour it all into one pot. And that was it. Dinner's done. All right, time to test. I got my bite all ready to go. I've got pasta, chicken, and a pea and a carrot on there. Wow. That is really good. I hope you get a chance to make this. And thank you for watching.